Dr. Mukul Sangwa ubade unongalam kaliang persya ha kejela ha kapor kumba khat arbje AA negamian ula sange hadong po hadien kejing yoi ya kejing tre shitom jong ki polit kerib hoi bantala si na phang ki kali pinkheng an khamtam ki badi boan ha kapor banyak kali Dr. Mukul ula kerbat ru ya USSP kerib hoi ban pinklan ya kejing talasi ya ki kali na kabinta kejing shngan ki patba Hakaba ula ongru ba unsawan biang bandan ke program halor ke jingsngan haki surong da kaba pinken mauru ya ke jingja hathadrang hakaba saungut ki hebrin kila do no yala ke jingim tang namar ke jingnya klem okor pat ke jingyap ki arngut ki nonya kali sorkar nanot Garo Hills namar ke jingbuat unonya
Members, look at the notification of the Honorable Supreme Court.
Sir.
Go by that committee.
Yes, sir.
I will come and have a program.
Sir, sure, sir.
Let us have a review
Sir.
on road safety because yesterday there was an incident. Also earlier,
Sir.
what I am told is that the injured are shifted to Shillong Civil Hospital.
Not this
Trauma,
one, sir.
trauma.
Hadrang one, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, trauma center.
Yes, sir.
Ideally, trauma center, which is nearest,
Sir.
must be the destination
Sir.
to save life.
Yes, sir.
So this is a matter of concern, and I'm happy that you are doing the thing.
Sir, yes, sir.
And then I think daytime that overloading truck,
Sir. Yes, sir.
highly overloaded,
Sir.
which is probably transporting your aggregates.
Yes, sir.
Those are-
Linkers and all.
Yeah. Anyway, all the best.
That day, sir, we sent to Shillong, sir, because from Hadrang, Shillong was the nearest hospital, sir. So we sent one to Nazareth, one to Supercare, one to Civil. Because coming to Nongpo, sir, Shillong is like nearer to us, sir. From that
From
side,
there,
sir,
from
it
there.
was from Vairumong side, sir.
That
one side.
incident of Sunday,
Yes, sir, that 4 persons died, sir. Yes, sir.
that Garo incident.
That one was here, sir, Quinine.
So this
Two
is-
drivers died, sir, and one injured was brought here, sir, civil hospital.
No, I talked to some of your media friends.
Sir,
This version I got from them.
sir.
That some of the injured were shifted to Shillong.
That was the previous day, sir. This to sir Nilkash Momen, he's from Kharkota, sir. He was brought to civil hospital, sir. He was
Okay,
there.
let us collectively do something.
Yes, yes.
We'll have to
Sir,
see
we'll
how
do our best, sir.
best we
Sir.
can improve.
Thank you for your time, sir.